Hi everyone, I want to share with you my very own apartment. I am a home stager. I do have my house, but we were fortunate enough to have an unusable space. We converted from just a basement with a billiards table, a man cave, into a place I can relax when I come home from a long day. So I'm going to show you inside and tell you about all the transformations that went on. It was a 1-year project. Finally, I am ready to reveal it. So this is going to be a non-traditional way to enter the apartment. As you can see here, this is a bathroom. How this area was set up was that there was a door from the bathroom going into the backyard. So it's actually pretty cool and unique. We can start off with the bathroom in here. So there is a shower stall, and we didn't change this, but I added curtains here just to kind of soften the look a little bit. I like the boho vibe that this shower curtain provides, and you know, it just makes it fun and unique. And we updated the bathroom, just brought in a simple sink, and I wanted to play with glass tiles, the subway, laying it the subway tile. And then I added these 2 shelves here to get additional storage. I figured that the space was wasted space, and now it's got some function and utility to it. So not much was done to this bathroom in terms of configuration, but we did update the vinyl flooring, brought in the vanity, the medicine cabinet, and the vanity light as well. Now we step into the kitchen, and I brought my tablet out to show you what this kitchen used to look like. So there was a bar right here. There was no kitchen whatsoever. This is what it used to look like. So right here, but as you can see here, this bar was just a mobile bar. They custom built it, but we took that out and we added in a permanent island. If you look up to the ceiling, it had a tiled ceiling that's really old. The carpet itself was tiled carpeting as well. So we've changed all of that. And also you can see around the perimeter of the room, you got the wood shingle siding. We removed all of that, drywalled it, and then painted it. So this was a huge dramatic transformation. And that took about a year because I was just working a lot. You know, we were going back and forth trying to find things, plan it out the best way. You can see all of these cinder block walls. We are on a slope, so therefore we had to work around this. But it actually made it very cozy to have that enclosed space, while at the same time you got an area up on top here that makes the place feel very airy. So this is where I come home to relax. It's kind of like my man cave. My husband's got his area, I've got my area down in this apartment, and so let me show you around what else we did in here. This wall here never existed, this wall and this wall. So it was actually one open space, and they had a billiards table right here. So I wanted this wall to, you know, create that 1 bedroom and that division. But knowing that the bedroom didn't have any windows, I added this window here. So that's one of my favorite features in this place, is actually having this space here. So it's fun, you can look out, it doesn't feel so much like a cave, and you get your own private bedroom. So before we go into the bedroom, let me show you in the living room. I needed to find furniture that was petite, something that would fit in the space but still allowed for guests to come. So I do have guests coming. My family comes to spend the night. Friends from LA. Hi LA friends, I miss you guys so much. And when they come up here, they have this futon. Don't you love the cup holders in here? This is actually an awesome feature. And if you look over on this side, there's also built-in speakers. How cool is that? Here are all the controls in the speaker. After college, I was in small little studio apartments. I needed to get multifunctional furniture. All right, so there you see it. This is super cool. It's actually pretty comfortable. My friends love staying here. I'll put that back up. This is a cool, comfortable couch. This is an awesome coffee table. It's tall and I get to rest my feet on it. After a long day, I get to watch TV right here. And right here is my cool fireplace. It's an electric fireplace. It's got faux flames. It gives off great heat. It's a fun little feature. One day, maybe if I have the time, I can put a facade over just to kind of blend it in with the apartment. Another cool thing about this apartment is it's got this area up here and my kids love it. They come up here, they hang out, they relax, and I can have additional guests sleep up here too. So for those who are okay with maybe potentially falling off, no, not really. It's actually a fun place to hang out. That's about it with this little cozy area. Now let's go into the kitchen again. I was able to add a lip up here so then there would be plumbing. So it provides for a bar height counter. So I got 2 fun swivel stools. I relax here in the evening and I kind of snack right before dinner. And then when you step up, it becomes basically counter height. So I like that feature a lot and I like being able to entertain my guests or have my children here. It's got a full-on fridge. It's got these 2 lights that I found and I ordered it to have a different finish, but it arrived with the rose gold and I actually didn't mind it. So when I turn off the lights, you'll be able to see what it looks like. But it's got the rose gold. This kitchen is brand spanking new. All the appliances are new except for the fridge. The fridge came from the previous owner actually, so I brought it down. It's got these cool IKEA cabinets. I just wanted to keep it white and clean, and these are the soft close doors and also cabinet. There's no slamming going on. You know, people upstairs don't need to hear it. So this is my fun kitchen. Next we go into the bedroom. In here, same thing. Up in the ceiling, there used to be tiled ceilings, kind of like what you would see in an old restaurant. We took those down and we drywalled it and added recessed lights and also a ceiling fan. Again, there's cinder block walls because it's a retaining wall. We're up on a slope. Even though the space feels small, it actually can fit a queen bed in here. So it's quite comfortable. I played around with the design. The decor in the past was a little bit more modern and minimal. This year, I've changed it up a little bit. I changed it to boho, comfy style, relaxed and organic. So that's the trend this year. I found this bookcase. It's an old IKEA bookcase and it fit nicely here. Before there used to be a banquette, but I felt it wasn't deep enough for anyone to really sit and relax here. I made this as additional storage and I find it to be very helpful because this is where I put all my magazines and all my books. Right here we have a fun little desk area and this is where I do a lot of my design works. I don't need too much because I have storage right there, but this is fun and relaxing. I open up my laptop and I start doing a lot of work. This is where I create my magic. You see this piece? Look at what's behind here. So this is an electric panel. I didn't want anything permanently over the electric panel. That definitely is not to code. So I put a tapestry right here. It's a woven tapestry. It's so easy. You just nail it up there and then you hang it up. So this doesn't fit the width exactly, but this was only what I was able to find for the time being. But from this angle, you're able to see that it covers a lot of the wall. This one, this is a fun plug and play light that I found on clearance at IKEA. And it's it feels like a jellyfish, or I call it the Medusa light. It's just fabric with ombre color, white going into blue, and it's just got a bulb, and it's a plug and play. So it's very versatile. You plug it into the wall and you hook it up on the ceiling wherever you want it to be. Every girl needs storage, right? As much as I do have my storage upstairs, this is my IKEA wardrobe. Kind of have some clothes here, and actually it's got a lot of cool drawers on this side. And it's got mirrors in here, so it makes the room look a little bit bigger. And what else? Additional storage up here. Above the bed, there's a whole storage area that this house came with. And I'm actually gonna go step up here and open it up. It's got 3 bypass doors. and there's actually a lot of storage. I put the galvanized pipe up with the L bracket, and in fact, if you have any decal designs and you want to share with me, please add in the comment down below. Send me a link of what you would recommend in terms of pattern or the brand of what I need to get. This is my man cave here, bedroom. This is where I relax, a great place for guests to stay, and everyone enjoys staying here. So this is it with the tour. Thank you so much for taking the time to walk through this apartment with me. It's been a labor of love and it's my pride and joy. I do tons of different designs, but for this space, this year I made it boho. I made it just a very hip, fun vibe. Last year was more modern, this year was boho. Secrets of staging right now. It was funny. This thing is confusing if you don't get the right corner in. It's gonna be confusing. Okay, so that's a corner.
You've done this before, right?
It's been 5 years since I've staged. Just kidding. Yeah. You see, duvet covers come with strings, nice ones. And then with the comforter that has a corner here to keep things in place because the blanket moves around. Yeah, yeah, you did. Yeah, a mono. Yes. Good quality duvets come with ties because when you get a good quality comforter, it actually has a loop already, and you just string it through and you tie it. So that way the comforter doesn't shift around inside the duvet. Since the duvet and comforter usually could be made from the same manufacturer, but maybe they're not, and the dimensions don't match up perfectly. So you've seen the inside. I've toured you inside. Let's go outside. It's a little bit dark now, but this is a bonus feature I can't wait to share with you. So just adjacent to the apartment is a laundry room. Yeah, I added this one just in case down the future, you never know what the future holds. Someone can have their own little space if they rent out the apartment. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please give us a thumbs up. Add your comments down below. I can't wait to hear from you, your feedback about my very first YouTube video. I hope my LA friends are proud of me, and of course my Silicon Valley friends as well. I'll see you later. Take care.